Well, we finally got settled up. Here it is, February the 1st coming up tomorrow. The old Cadillac. She's here and gonna be parted out. And we got this little nice Honda Fit. It's got some issues. A little rattle in the transmission is gonna have to come out, but other than that, it's gonna be fairly easy fix. It's gonna be more expensive than I really wanted. '07, kind of fun to drive, but she's making a rattle and I'm gonna down her. Got a bearing in the transmission and hoping it would go away because it had a new throwout bearing. Let's go around here and show you where I just come from, that machine shop I kept talking about. Way south down there, 60 miles so Crowley. Shut the wooden box first. This was sitting underneath the third shelf down, and I had Bob. I said, "Hey Bob, is there probably a Starrett height gauge down underneath there?" Man, when he pulled this thing out, opened the lid, I am shocked. Now this thing weighs about, I say 36 pounds. All the way up to half from 2515. Full set. And he said, I don't know. We didn't use these a lot, but man, he's got box after box, and I'm going to be showing a lot of that stuff he's got and putting it out. You guys stop through the video, and we got 2.5 inch Morse taper 5 drills in there. It's razor sharp, pristine. I picked up these C5 collets, and also this Kennametal. Well, I don't really have a place to lay it down. Yeah, I do. Lay it on the ground here. 4-inch Kennametal flag cutter. So that was a big plus. Very reasonable. And I spent some time with Bob, and I took enough pictures. And here I've got the end stop for the collets. And this one here's got a locking one on here. So I didn't have a bunch of the octagon or the rectangle or different ones, but you know what? It's more than I got because I only had one. And then we got actually a plastic one. Gonna come in handy one day. I don't know what for. Oh yeah, might want to turn some plastics. All right, I'm gonna try to wrestle this in, and then I'm gonna do the video tonight. And you guys, he's not selling any. He must have 6 Kennedy rolling chests, pristine. They're all going to his farm, but I couldn't talk him out of any of them. But I'm excited about the gauge pin set, and phenomenal. I was going to buy a cheaper set from Shars, and when he told me what I could get this for, I said, no, just let's put it in the car. All right, we'll start some stills and do some annotating on his shop, and he's looking forward to clearing out all the machine. He's got some really good end mills, a lot of carbide taps and dies, and I'll get this video out as quick as I can.